Ever wondered where the mysterious world of Vivid Money is headquartered? It's like trying to find a hidden treasure in a vast ocean of financial technology. Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Before we reveal the location, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember when Vivid Money first burst onto the financial scene? It was like a breath of fresh air, offering a unique and innovative approach to banking. But where exactly did this digital revolution originate? Vivid Money has quickly gained a global following. Its sleek app, competitive rates, and user-friendly interface have attracted customers from all corners of the world. But where is the heart of this financial tech powerhouse? Is it in a bustling metropolis known for its innovation? Or is it a hidden gem in a lesser-known location? The headquarters of Vivid Money is located in none other than the vibrant city of Berlin, Germany. Known for its rich history, thriving startup scene, and progressive mindset, Berlin has become a hub for fintech companies. Why Berlin? But why Berlin? What makes this city the ideal home for a company like Vivid Money? Let's hear from the people who know best. Interviewee 1. Berlin offers a unique blend of creativity, talent, and a supportive regulatory environment. It's the perfect place for a fintech company to thrive. Interviewee 2. The city's diverse culture and international atmosphere make it a great place to attract top talent from around the world. The future of Vivid Money. As Vivid Money continues to expand its reach and offerings, it's clear that Berlin will remain a crucial part of its story. The city's innovative spirit and supportive ecosystem provide the ideal conditions for the company to continue pushing the boundaries of financial technology. So, there you have it. The mysterious world of Vivid Money is based in the heart of Berlin, Germany. From its humble beginnings to its global success, Vivid Money has proven that innovation and a customer-centric approach can lead to remarkable achievements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of fintech.